Well, sorry for not making a video in a while. Over a month. But I thought I'd make it up to you by showing off this old vintage Brentwood fan that I have recently acquired. It's actually my cousin's, well, it used to be my cousin's fan. Then I saw it in their little garbage pile, you know, where they're going to take it to the garbage dump in a couple of days, and I just happened to see it lying face down there. Who knows how long it was in the pile. It still works fine. It needs an oiling big time. It doesn't takes a while to spin up. And I can remember it being like that forever. Like they'd turn it on, they'd have to turn it on high, and then it would kind of just spin slow for about, I don't know, 5 minutes, and then it would just take off, and then they'd always go and switch it back to low because it was too loud. But yeah, of course it wasn't black originally. He painted it, and you can see the original. Oops, I'm not even pointing in the right spot. You can see the original green there, kind of just like the logo. I guess the logo is a little bit darker, it seems. But yeah, there's just chunks of drywall mud all over it. It was a very well used fan. Yeah, it's needs some work, but I guess without further ado, we'll start her off on low. The switch is very sticky. Piece of drywall fell off. I'm going to start on low here just to show you how, or to emphasize the slowness of it when it starts. If I can get it turned on here. There we go. Oh yeah, it doesn't even turn. I can hear it trying. There's high. Yeah, it's not even turning now. That probably happened and he figured it was just garbage. And no, I can't edit the videos with this Sony HD camera, so you'll just have to watch until it takes off. It turned a little bit, very, very slowly. Hit anything back here? Get a little shot of the motor. Come on. My smoke's going out. Come on, fan, you can do it. There you go. Whew. I don't think it's up to full speed yet. It has a neat startup sound. Definitely could spin longer than that. Get a high startup sound. Sounds cool. So this is a nice thing about how editing a video. I can edit out all the times that I make a startup sound. Okay. This is kind of the first time that I actually really ran the thing. I tested it out quickly when I first got it, but just let it sit there for a couple of weeks before I actually made a video of it. I think that's about as high as it's going to spin. Smoke out here. There's a bit of a shake to it. Not too bad though. Some grass in there. Well, at the bed it'll spin a lot faster after it's oiled. Really, I'm quite surprised by the spin down time though. You know, it isn't the best at all, but it, you know, I thought it would stop rather quick, just by how it didn't want to even start turning there at the start. I can really hear the startup sound from this side. Yeah, you can see a dent in my finger. That's how hard I have to push the switch. Sorry, I'm shaking. It's always a killer to have a shaky video. But yeah, I guess I've pretty much showed you everything. I guess I could try to find the label. Oops. Shoot. Oh, it's ripped off. I thought it would be embedded right into the housing, but I guess not. Yeah, nothing. Guess we're not going to know a date. But we might get lucky when I take it apart. Yeah, I'm not gonna in this video. I'll have to get my other digital camera going there and make a video of taking it apart with that, because that I'll definitely have to make cuts for. and this camera just won't do for that. But yeah, anyways, I guess thanks for watching, and again, sorry I haven't been making videos. I'll try to start making videos here more often, but I could say that and end up going longer without making a video. So maybe if I say I'm not going to make a video for like half of a year, then maybe I'll make one next week. Just kidding, but enough ramble. Adios.